gotta transfer to Narita. I just got to Haneda, so now I gotta transfer to Narita, which is like, they say it's like an hour, so I gotta find out how I'm gonna get there. I gotta take my bags and all type of shit, bro. We about to find out. It's always something new with this traveling. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If you travel a lot, then you already know. Wow, it's been a minute since I've been here. Baby girl, what you doing? Where your man? I just popped this in, 50,000 in Japan. Fair use, fair use. I know YouTube be tripping. You got to be saying fair use. You got to be spamming fair use in the video so they don't take you down for singing somebody's song. I'm out here in Japan. But basically, oh no, I'm vlogging.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I got you. And so I took the wrong. I went upstairs when I was supposed to stay downstairs. So the lady ended up helping me come downstairs. Now I'm outside. So I gotta catch this bus and get to Narita to get to Narita Airport. But we out here in Japan right now. The guy trying to help me with the bus, he thought, because I gotta get a bus ticket to go. So he basically thought that I needed help. And I'm like, nah, bro, I know what I'm doing. I'm just vlogging it right now. But that's where we at right now. Look at all them taxis over there. Look at this, we in Japan at night. What is y'all talking about? We is in Japan at night. Y'all ain't never been out here before. Y'all just talking about, right? But yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm about to go to the restroom, bro, because I gotta pee. Yes, look, everything being Japanese and English, but I don't read Japanese. It ain't like anime. Some of y'all niggas, some of y'all be needing subtitles. I need to stop saying that word on this vlog, because I'm gonna get demonetized before I even get monetized. Going up, oh. I should jump. No, I ain't gonna jump. Let me stop. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Is there a restroom here? Is there a restroom here? Down there? Thank you. Toilets. See, they call it toilets. They don't say restrooms, they say toilets. We say restrooms. They say toilets. You got me bent if you think I'm about to record myself using the bathroom. Oh, weird. Oh, sick. Let me stop. I'll be right back.
So your seat number 7A?
7A.
Yes. Thank you.
7A. Oh, this so nice. People's on the opposite side. I'm not used to that.
Yeah, us neither. Maybe we can ask to switch. You're over here.
7A, 7A, 7A. Right here.
What's this?
It's so quiet in here, y'all. I don't even want to talk. I ain't gonna lie. I'll be the only one talking at this moment. And just like that, we out of there.
Why you gotta kill this ish?
We made it. That was like 2 hours, bro. That was a 2-hour ride on the interstate. That Tokyo highway hit different though. It's crazy though, cause in Tokyo, in Japan, you can't talk. Like you can't talk on the bus, anywhere. You can't talk, so you have to like stay silent. Everybody just like silent the whole time. It's crazy, but it's kind of fire though. Cause sometimes in America, people would just be talking to you, bro. I'd be like, shut up. What you talking to me for, bro? They call it the airport mall. Let's see what's in the airport mall. Where is it? Boring. Oh, never mind. They got a Pokemon store. There you go, Kobe. My boy Kobe would love this. Yeah. They got all type of shit. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Chinese, Japanese McDonald's. Look at that, that's fire, I ain't gonna lie. Look at all that. Might take a picture right there though, that's type of fire. You feel me? That's the airport view. See the airplanes coming in. By the way, where y'all from? I'm gonna let you know right now, I'm from VA. And if you're from VA, you only matter if you're from the 757 or the DMV. Anywhere else, do not matter. I'm gonna be real. And honestly, by the way, if you from Newport News, bro, you probably a crackhead. No offense. Nah, actually offense. Newport News like probably the worst city. Norfolk, the best city. Newport News, the worst city. Portsmouth, the second worst. Chesapeake, they number 2, because I lived in Chesapeake before. But if you from Arlington or Smithfield, don't even comment. Like, don't even check in, because I'm just playing, y'all. Oh yeah, let me not get off topic. This where Shiva was. KP, if you watching this, yeah, I see where you was at. You was out here. You was in Narita. I remember seeing your shit when you came to Japan like a while ago now. You see, like, it's a lot of Filipinos out here though. That's one thing I can say. It's a lot of Filipinos out here. Y'all done came everywhere, huh? I see y'all colonizing. Y'all the new colonizers, huh? Now let me stop. Love to the Philippines. I'm just playing around. I seen some crazy magazines, but they're not gonna let me take pictures of them, so I gotta kind of drive by. I'm gonna hit you with the drive by one more time real quick. That's what I hit you with the drive by. You have to catch it. If you didn't catch it, I can't show you because they staring dead at me right now. But if you know, you know. If you saw it, then you saw it. If you didn't see it, you just go rewind it. That's it right here, y'all. Thank you. 266. This?
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm about to turn that. Chopsticks right here. This is beef yakisoba with the egg. Beef yakisoba with the egg. Soba noodles right here. Look at that. Let me see how this tastes. Those noodles? Oh, for real. Those noodles are good. I ain't gonna lie. That's the taste of beef. It's soft. It's like, it's real soft. It's like, it's good. It's like super soft. And the seasoning is like, I can't explain it because I never had it before, but it's good though. I like it. Yeah, this is real good. This is perfect. This is melon soda. I've never had melon soda before. But melon soda, this is what they got in Japan. This is what they drink it. Let's see how this tastes. It tastes like, I can't get my finger on it, but it's a familiar taste. It's like a Faygo. It tastes like Faygo. If you live in the hood, you know what Faygo is. It tastes like Faygo. The hood soda. It's good though, I ain't gonna lie. You see this? It's good. I ain't gonna lie. It's good. It's like, it's just perfectly seasoned. I don't know how to explain it. They perfectly season everything. Like, it's like perfect. It's not too much, it's not too little. And we done. Look at that view. That's the airport. It's a beautiful view, bro. Gotta love it. See, stuff like this, it's like little things like this to make you appreciate life. We go through so much stuff every day, all day, all the time. And we just don't just sit back and just appreciate stuff like this. You know, for me, like I feel like I'm blessed. Like I'm just in a whole different country, away from Norfolk, away from home, just chilling. And everything is just so much more peaceful when you just get away. It makes me happy every time. Every time I leave, I'm always going, I'm always traveling. It just gives me bliss. Like I just feel resentful. Like look at this. We gotta realize how blessed we are, man. I just made it through the TSA checkpoint in Japan. Dior, YSL, shout out Young Thug, shout out Thugger1, YSL. That stuff. They got Mickey Moto. I guess that's, oh, they got Ray-Ban, even though I don't really wear Ray-Ban, I rock Burberry. This is inside the airport. This is Narita Airport. Haneda is better than Narita, but whatever. Narita, they too linear. Like Haneda is like fire, like that's like Japan. This one is like, Narita's like, it's just linear. Like it's nice because they got designer stores. Like it's a nice design, but it's just too linear. Like anybody can do this, and really everybody has done this. I've seen like a lot of airports in the world, and they all do this. But Haneta's just fire. I don't know, something about that one is just fire. You're at it. Y'all know who that is? I know my people from the hood don't know who that is. Alright. If you know me, you know who that is. Cause I know who that is. I'm gonna give you a hint. Psych! Prada. We got Prada right here. I still don't see Burberry, but I might look up and find it. Okay, we getting closer. We see Gucci. It's Gucci. Oh, what did I tell you? It's Burberry right there. So let's walk up in the Burberry store and see what we can see. Yeah, okay, I take it back now. I take it back. Narita type lit though. I take it back. I take what I said back. Narita type fire, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I admit when I'm wrong. I just ain't come to this part right here. This jank is fire out here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. Look at that. That's fire. Look at that. They're trying to get this sell off me. They watching me hard. Oh, look at this. This one is fire right here.
This is
you can wear reversible.
This is reversible?
Yeah.
Let me show you. Okay. So it's just black.
And we have another color.
But they're all black on the... Oh, okay, I see. Those are some fire belts, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, look at that. That is fire. What? That is fire. What? Jesus. I don't like, you know when you walk into a store and they're like watching you and they trying to get that sale and you can feel it? That's the only thing that I don't like. You feel me? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like when you walk into the store and you know they watching you, it's like, bruh, let me breathe. But at the same time, I get it. But bruh, if I'm all the way out here in Japan and I'm American, I clearly got it. I got enough I'm not gonna steal it, bruh. You feel me? But I get it though. They ain't get nobody in Burberry yet. Probably these two girls. They probably gonna get them. But they for sure ain't get me. But they gonna get me in the Philippines though. I'm not gonna lie. As soon as I put this suitcase down, somebody try to sell me Burberry, it's gonna work. I'm not gonna lie. But let me not conclude it with this. I need to conclude it with something fire. Hold up. I'm about to conclude it, but I can't conclude it with just that. That's ugly, bro. I need to conclude it with something fire. Like, so y'all, this concludes my vlog for Japan. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Maybe comment if you want. Maybe like if you want. Maybe subscribe if you want. I'm not gonna ask you, but I asked you without asking you. Y'all have a good one.